Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, what did Umbali mean? Ukuthi yena, she doesn't want to go to jail. She doesn't want to go to prison because she still has small kids. And this is when uThobile was telling her phela umcimbi number 5 is going to be introduced there. Now I'm trying to question myself, Mbali, are you indirectly saying uthi wena uzoshaya uMakhwela, or are you going to hit uMusa, or what you gonna do? Because Uma Khumalo says, no, please don't fight. And then Umangwabe is like, no, I won't fight. But in a diary session, she says, like us people around me. Ngiyaziwa. Usho ukuthi ugel uyashaya, guys, and I don't know who she wants to shaya. At this point, I'm like, ayibo girl, kanjani manje? Because when you said you're leaving, so why would you be fighting people if you said you are leaving? Now I can see shame is Kwele. Is Kwele and love for Umusa that is driving her to this decision. At this point, I don't feel like Umangwabe wants to leave, you guys. I feel like she feels as if she's been forced to leave. Because I'm just saying, when a woman is sick and tired, guys, and she's made up her mind, there's nothing and no one can convince her to say, no one can say anything to her to convince her otherwise. She has no time to be fighting. So what would she be fighting for at this point? I'm just like, and then Utobin is busy fluttering her, busy telling her asambe. I'm like, these two, they busy sounding like high school girls where Bachelor Nendo day one and they're going to confront a man and they're going to see what's going to happen. Because Utobin is like, no, let's have action, let's just be there. And then on the trailer for next week's episode, guys, do we not see all the wives from Umaxele, Umayeni, Khumalo, and Umangwabe? They are at the ceremony. At that point, I was just like, these wives like playing with us. I'm just even thinking to myself, Yazini, even Umayeni, some scenes that she shows up on, I just think she's just showing up for the paycheck at this point, guys. Because the way that woman doesn't care at this point, I just feel like she's just showing up for a paycheck. Yeah, okay? If she was not getting paid to do this thing, I don't think Umayeni would be here. Maybe all of these wives wouldn't be here except to Thobile, okay? If they were not getting paid for this. Because I'm just like, why are you guys here? Especially Mangwabe, I did not expect it to be there. Maybe they plan on creating some sort of drama and getting up while number 5 comes or whatever the case may be. I'm just like, these women, they act as if Umusa Watchar. I'm like, they love Umusa, all of these women. And at this point, I just feel like the things that they are saying are threats, and they low-key just hoping Umusa changes his mind in the way he does things. I don't think any of these women are at the point where they don't love him, you guys, and they leaving, please. Because why were they at that? If it was me, hey, I was not even gonna step foot at that ceremony. But anyway, guys, let's see what is going to be their reasoning for eventually going to that ceremony, to going to Loa Mcimbi, and let's see how they're gonna react. Because yes, they there, Kotebusweni, Bamumu Bonke, including Umaxele, you guys. Anyway, let's park it right there, Mbali, please. So bonangawe ngama action on that day, what's going to happen. And that's the Utopia when she's saying when she's pushing Umbali to a corner, because I'm just like, Thobile, do you know what you're doing? Don't push any ngane to a corner, because when Thobile, you know what our hand. Hey guys, let's pocket them. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you like the video. You watch the ads rather. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.